They say in nature you find everything you're looking for. In nature, I find my peace.
A very good morning. Welcome you all back to my channel. Welcome you all to Coffee Lands of Good morning people. Welcome you all back once again. A brand new day. Welcome to the Coffee Lands of Kalasa. This is part of the Chikkamangaluru district and we are in the middle of a coffee estate. This is Aayana Valley Coffee homestay. A beautiful place here near to Kalasa. And we have another exciting day planned as we are heading to Hornadu today. So stay tuned for day 3 of this temple run 2025. Staying in a coffee land amidst all the coffee estates gives you an awesome feeling. The smell of coffee and being in nature in all this forest across. Well, I would say nature is where we come from, and end of the day we all go back is nature. So why fight it? Be in nature, enjoy every moment. And life is short, so you need to keep it simple, not complicate things. Well, this is the temple run and this is our second destination. This is the Shri Siddalingeshwara Swamy Temple here near to Dharmasthala. Check this. That was a quick darshan of Swamy Devasthana here in Kshetra. Love what you do what you love. That's what I would say. Well, people, I would keep advising. I'm not sure how many people actually take it seriously. It's just for fun. So do whatever makes you happy. Keep smiling and spread the happiness. Life is very short, so keep the surrounding happy. Stop being in a rat race. Stop chasing. Slow down and start enjoying life. So this is the Annapurneshwari temple here in Hornadu. Take a look at this. There's a small waterfall called Hallimane waterfall Enroute to Hornadu. Check this out. The Hallimane waterfall here near to Kalasa, a beautiful serene place amidst nature. Check out some locally made juices here near Hallimane Falls. Take this. How was the trip so far?
Very good.
Are you enjoying temple run, seeing all the temples?
Yes.
Come on, let's go see the waterfall. Good evening, people. We reached the Chikkamangaluru Golf Club late evening today after an awesome twisty drive through the coffee estates of Balehonnur and then finally Mudgere, Balehonnur and then Chikkamangaluru. So we're going to stay here for the night. The Chikkamangaluru Golf Club, a beautiful golf club. I will show you in the morning a walk around of this club, and then from there we might go to Mulayanagiri and Baba Budangiri and then off to Bangalore tomorrow. Stay tuned, and it's adios for today. Good night. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome you all back. Last day of our trip here in Chikkamangaluru. We are right now at the highest peak of Karnataka. This is Mulayanagiri. Check out the view. We are heading back to Bengaluru, signing off here from Golf Club, the Chikkamangaluru Golf Club. Hope you enjoyed this short trip of temple run and of course Mulayanagiri. Thank you for watching. See you around very soon on the next one. Sayonara, adios, goodbye. Thank you once again.
अनादि निरंजन जगद्गुरु तोंटदार्या योगमुख शिवरूपि सिद्धेश प्रातः स्मरामि अनादि निरंजन जगद्गुरु तोंटदार्या योगमुख शिवरूपि सिद्धेश प्रातः स्मरामि ಏಳು ಏಳಯ್ಯ ಮೇಲೇಳು ಎಡೆಯೂರ ಸುಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ವಾಸನೆ ಏಳಯ್ಯ ಯೋಗೀಶ್ವರನೇ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಶುಭ ನೀಡಲು ಕೈಲಾಸದೊಡೆಯ ಶಿವನ ಆಜ್ಞಾನುಸಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಶಿವಧರ್ಮ ಸಾರಲೆನೆ ಅವತರಿಸಿದಿ ಜಗದಿ ಜಾಗೃತ ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಎಡೆಯೂರ ನಿಜ ದೈವ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಗುರುವೇ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತೇಳಿ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಿರಂಜನ ಚರಕುಲ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ವ ಶಿವ ಶರಣಾಶ್ರಯ ಭಸ್ಮಾಂಗ ರೂಪಿ.
This is the Yedeyuru Siddalingeshwara Swamy Temple here in Yedeyuru. Check this out. I think one round full you got that. Oh, how was the temple run? Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying all the darshanas of all the gods?
Yeah.
Thank you. Namaskara from Yedeyuru Siddalingeshwara Swamy Temple. Hope you like this vlog. See you around very soon in the next one. Bye bye. And don't forget to keep smiling. Cheers.
ಶರಣಾಶ್ರಯ ಭಸ್ಮಾಂಗ ರೂಪಿ ಶ್ರೀಮದಷ್ಟಾವರಣ ಪಂಚಾಚಾರ ಯೋಗಿ ವರ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಪ್ರಭುವೇ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತೇಳಿ ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ಅಗಣಿತ ಅನಂತ ತೇಜೋ ಪುಂಗ ಶೈವಾಗಮ ಪೂಜಿತ ಜಂಗಮ ರೂಪಿ ವಿಭುವೆ ಉರಗಾಭರಣ ಉರಗ ಸದನ ವಿಹಾರಿ ನೀನು ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಗುರುವೇ ಬೆಳಗಾಯಿತೇಳಿ करदिष्टलिङ्ग प्रकाश बिल्वार्पित प्रिय दैव ओङ्कारादिषडक्षर मन्त्रमूर्ति ज्ञान विज्ञान सुज्ञान ज्योतिरूपी श्रीनिरञ्जन जगद्गुरु बेळगायितेळि ಅಂತಃಕರುಣಾ ಸಿಂಧು ಅನಂತ ಭಕುತ ಬಂಧು ಲಿಂಗಾಂಗ ಸಂಗ ಸಮರಸ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದಾತ ನಂಬಿಲೋಲಾಂಬ ಚರಣ ಭಸಿತಾಂಗ